All right, it is January 6th. My birthday's tomorrow. Happy birthday to me. So I have the release of the scale-ish, mostly scale, RC 3D printed Dassault Rafale. This is its maiden flight of the scale version. It's yeah, not gonna lie, it's pretty windy out. Google says 19-mile-an-hour winds, 23 degrees out. Welcome to Michigan. It's snowing. But I do this for you, random internet person watching the video and or wanting to build and fly this beautiful French bird. A little too close to my radio, so it took a second to connect. All right, so yeah, this is a maiden flight with missiles and refuelers and radar thingies and I don't know, all sorts of good stuff on it. Panel accesses and vents and rivet holes. Let's make sure. One thing my good friend Kyle taught me is always make sure it's got enough thrust. And it's got thrust. So here she is, maiden flight. Super windy out. Low on confidence. Have not flown in 3 months. Had a lot of family stuff and my basement flooded but anyways, here we are. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Wow. This is a brand new airfoil too. Wow, she flies like a dream. I tell you what, for being this windy out, she's flying great. Alright, let me do a slow pass coming back. Or sort of slow anyway. So we can get a good look at her. Very acrobatic. Flies amazing. Super clean. Even in these gusts. Alright, I am super low on voltage, so I'm gonna bring her in. One more battery.